in your mouth.
You ate more than me. You did better than me. Oh shit, he's gonna be.
We just checked out of the hostel in Cusco. We're going to go ride some quad bikes later. For now I'm going to go on a little side quest, get coffee and some breakfast. Apparently the stones on these walls are important. Called like the 12 angle stones or something. I can't remember why, but there you go, some stones to enjoy. Damn bro, these streets are steep. Alright, here we are. Buena vista acá, ¿no? Ajá. I only started making these videos like 3 weeks ago and I've already filled up a 500 gig SSD. So I'm gonna go and try and get a new one and then go and beat the girls. Found a camera shop here. Are they gonna have an SSD? I just went into a shop, found an SSD, but the price was like twice the price that you would pay for it on Amazon. So I'm gonna go and look somewhere else. Alright, so I managed to get this Toshiba SSD. It was pretty cheap, it's like a terabyte. I'm pretty sure the transfer rate is gonna be shit. So I'll probably have to just use it as like a secondary one. But is what it is. Alright, I'm just going to meet the girls now. Kofi apparently has a little bit of guinea pig for me to nibble on. So I'm going to give that a blast.
El par de estos pequeños 60.
Ese es carnero, pero ya macerado. Tenemos cuy al horno, chiriucho, merienda, cuy al horno 60 mami, el plato con dos.
You gonna try some, babe?
Just a tiny, like tiny, that much, this much.
Yo, you're gonna try one of these cuties. Oh no, no, gracias. No.
Base casera tenemos chiriucho, cuy al horno.
Ay, meriendita, mami, tenemos chiriucho.
¿Te gusta?
Está rico, porque nosotros mismos preparamos, nosotros mismos criamos el cuy. This is dried.
Oh bro, I don't know about this.
I have
You have to eat all
Which
of
part
it.
of the guinea pig is this?
It's like the skin of it, the top part.
You have to eat all of it, Andy. Put it all in your mouth.
You ate more than me, you did better than me. I only had a little bit.
I don't know about that.
It's a bit, it tastes too seasoned, isn't it? Like too perfume.
There's a lot of skin.
Yeah, it's too much, yeah.
I don't know if I can swallow all that skin.
Spit it out, spit it out. He's gonna puke. Oh shit, he's gonna puke.
He's gonna puke in his hand. He's gonna. Oh no! Oh no!
It's down. The skin got stuck in my teeth and I was trying to swallow it. And it was just like staying in my throat. It was like
That's why I only had a
proper
little
thick
bit.
rubber. Fucking hell.
The skin literally followed along with me. And I was like,
It didn't taste that bad though, it was just the texture of the skin. Oh fucking hell. Well, there we're gone. We just munched on one of these. Guinea pig. We munched on these as well, alpacas. Damn, we eating everything. These views. I'm gonna edit it and put it in a YouTube video.
Not you, bro. You already know.
Make a TikTok reel, bruh. Duh. Damn, this is crazy. There are 4,000 pools here.
This is so good.
Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, we don't know. We'll find out.
Dusty crew is back. Even KFC again. Disgusting. Fucking disgusting. The fuck is this? It's a fucking screwdriver, bruh. It's a fucking screwdriver. Get in. Are you ready for like 20 hours of buses?
I'm telling you, it's not. Why not?
Basically, it's like